Hi guys, I'm back with lesson sound 2. And lesson sound 2 is about the letter U. How do we say this U in French? So you can see welcome to Universe Waveguide. In case you want our conductor there, this is the website, the YouTube, the TikTok, the Facebook, our number in Nairobi, Kenya. Then lesson 2 is this U. All right, so just to adjust so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about there. So to pronounce the French U is a sound not found in English. So to pronounce it, just say like like e, but round your lips as if you're saying what we saw last time, like ooh, e. You can see the IP, which I said is the International Phonetic Alphabet, is written like this. This I said is for people who are required to write words in a phonetic way. So I'm going to simplify this U and tell you to say something like I, you, I, you. As we go through the 5 words, check these 5 words. I want to zoom so that you can see them clearly. You see that the 5 words, so the first one you can see here, the U is there. This is our objective today, the U. So this will be lune. Lune, remember we said that words at the end of a word in French ending with the E is not pronounced. So this should be lune, not lune, no. Just lune. Lune, phonetically, it's written like this, lune. Then we have cure. We have une. We have brune. We have sûr. So lune, cure. So you can see that the E at the end of the word is pronounced because it has that accent. We will see that as we progress, as we go on talking about, when we start talking about accents in French. We do have accents there. So cure, this one we will not say cure, no, it's cure. We pronounce that E because of the accent there. Une, brune, et sûr. When you go down to the sentences, I'm going to zoom again so that we can see clearly all the 5 sentences. So practice sentences. La lune, you can see la lune est brillante. La lune est brillante. In case you need, the translation is there, but for now, remember our objective is to be able to pronounce the U in French. When you find the U in a sentence, no, in a word, how do you say it? So la lune, you can identify the U is there. La lune est brillante. Le curé parle. Le curé parle. J'ai une pomme. J'ai une pomme. Elle est brune. Elle est brune. Je suis sûr de moi. Je suis sûr de moi. Don't be confused by this one here. We will see in one of our lessons how to pronounce the UI. Combination of UI as a different sound. So for this one, je suis sûr de moi. So our objective is here, this U of sûr. Je suis sûr de moi. So guys, for now we have talked about the OU, how to pronounce OU. That was our lesson sound 1, and this one is U lesson sound 2. Lesson sound 3 is coming very soon. Thank you very much, guys.